me do a movie, okay?
Wait, Franco, wait. Beep.
I think I see
your Legos.
It's right here!
Yeah.
Okay, let me do a movie.
Beep.
You and feed Mommy.
Beep.
Okay? Still, you and feed Mommy,
Beep, beep,
okay?
beep.
Ricardo, I have a special movie. I have a special...
No, Franco. Where's the thing that you dropped? Okay.
I'm not cleaning the bathroom anymore. I'm washing it.
Fishy. Cool. Now let's go to the other side of the snowstorm and see what we can find.
Yeah, I need to do a movie.
A plane head.
I spot a
Let
fish.
me see.
Mommy, look at the biggest snow explosion. Mommy's here. Mommy, I thought you were going to exercise.
Sí, mi amor, pero es que no he terminado con las ventanas. Estoy todavía con las
I see a Lego. No, tell me.
It's a... I see it! It has a roller!
Wait. Point again. Oh, yeah. There's a Lego. And there's another part of the fishy fish.
You got the... And feed mine for you.
Okay. That's it for today. Bye.